Hello, I'm doing this video on paradigm. Doing this video on paradigm because a lot of people don't know about paradigm. So basically, uh, a viewpoint is what people know about. You know what I'm saying? But paradigm is like a synonym of a viewpoint. So I'm gonna read it out. It says, a paradigm is a system of assumptions, concepts, values, and practices that constitutes a way of viewing reality. The definition of a paradigm is a widely accepted example, belief, or concept. An example of paradigm is evolution. An example of paradigm is the earth being round. One that serves as as pattern or model. So I'm going to read this. A paradigm is the complete set of related word forms associated with a given lexeme. A paradigm is a set of related forms having the same stem but from different affixes. A durational paradigm with the stem head. This is like an example of a paradigm with the word head. Ahead, behead, header, headlong, headship, heady, subhead. Paradigms are also defined by the grammatical distinctions which a language chooses to code metamorphically. Nouns in English have to be inflected for number. Let me see. So I'm going to do some more about paradigm. A spiritual paradigm, a set pattern between human and spirit, transferring this life and the one after. The belief that we can heal and change our life pattern is solid for me. The concepts of past years of prophets and even the naysayers play a part in shifting our thoughts and actions. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all bear with me. Paradigm. So basically, okay, the way that we view something would be labeled as our paradigm. Not only is it the way that we view something, it's our concepts, the way that we comprehend things, our values, practices, and the way that we see reality. Now, you could see something, we all could be seeing something, but we could view it different. That's a different paradigm. So I was inclined to talk about this because, sometimes it's two different people. They may communicate. One may think that they're communicating all the time because they don't have much time. So the time that they have, they're giving it to that other person, sharing it with them. On this token, this person has nothing to do. So the time that they are spending with the other person, they feel like it's hardly anything because, they feel like they're not seeing that person. That's the same situation, but a different paradigm. It's an assumption. That's the way that they conceive it. You know what I'm saying? That's an example of paradigm. So we all have different paradigms when it comes to stuff, and that's why we need to be around like-minded people, because eventually the concepts, the values, and the practices, and the way we view reality is going to clash with other people. So we have to really know ourselves. We got to know what we're looking at. We got to know the paradigm behind things. And I'm I'm going to just do some more on paradigm as well. Okay. I'm going to read this. It's a distinct set of concepts or thought patterns, including theories, research methods, and standards for what constitutes legitimate contributions to a field. So it's not only are we on the same page, do we have the same paradigm? Paradigm. Look the word up. Use the word. Paradigm is different from a viewpoint or a point of view because it goes deep. Paradigm is a number of things combined. But I just want to let y'all go. Y'all have a good one. And thank you for viewing.